previous video we have gone through about what are the basic blocks of the neural network. Coming into this video, we will be discussing about some terminologies of artificial neural network. What is an artificial neural network? Means which the artificial neural network is a computational model. Okay, this artificial network was being inspired by the biological neural network of the human brain, where this artificial neural network is used in the machines and computers to solve the real-time problems to provide an approximate solution to that problem. Okay, there are some terminologies of the artificial neural network. The first one is node or a neuron. The basic computational unit of the artificial neural network is a node. Each neuron receives the input signals from the another neuron or external source. If it is a node, it gives the information will be given from the external source or another neuron. Okay, next, there are some layers in the artificial neural network. What is a layer? That means organized neurons in an artificial neural network are organized into the layers. There are three layers: input layer, hidden layer and output layer. Look at this diagram where I am taking some input layers and some hidden layers and output layers. The information from the input layer will be transformed to the hidden layer, and after that, after processing, that will be transformed to the output layer. This is how it will be. So these are the input layers. Receives the input data and passes into the next layer. What is the next layer? It's a hidden layer. The data will be transformed into the hidden layer. Hidden layer is an intermediate layer between the inner layer and the outer layer, where computations are performed. All the computations will be performed here. And next layer is a output layer, right? Output layer will produce the final output of the network. The final output of the network will be produced by the output layer. The number of neurons in this layer depends upon the nature of task. Depending upon the nature of task only, how many number of neurons are there or neural layers are there will be depending. Next, coming into the next terminology is activation function. A function applied to the weighted sum of inputs to introduce non-linearity into the network. To introduce some non-linearity into the network, we use the activation functions where the weight of the inputs will be calculated. Okay, coming into the backpropagation. Backpropagation is a supervised learning algorithm used to adjust the weights of connections between the neurons and the neural network. It will adjust the weights between the neurons and the neural network to make sure that the actual output between them, difference between the actual output and the desired output for the given input, okay, to make sure that it is minimized. That is, minimum output has been, minimum difference should be between the actual output and the desired output. If not, if there is not a minimum difference between them, again it goes back to and do the process again. This going back is known as the backpropagation. Okay, backpropagation of errors means all the errors will be recovered by using the backpropagation method. These are some terminologies of the artificial neural network. Coming into the next video, we will be discussing about the herb network. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel.